In this video, we're going to go over adjusting the 0 range and the negative range on the 7515-C indicator. First, what you want to do is turn it on. After the countdown is complete, you're going to press hold and unit together. Once you've done that, you have entered into the back end of the settings of the 7515-C. You're going to press hold until you get to the following setting, which is 0. This adjusts the 0 range. As default, it's gonna be set to 1. 1 is only 10% of the max capacity of the scale. So in order to get 100% of the max capacity, you're gonna change this to 2. You're gonna use unit button to change the digit to 2, and then press hold. Once you press hold, it will save that setting and move you on to the next setting. So the next thing that we want to change is the negative range. Normally this is set to 1, which is only 10% of the max capacity. We're going to change it to 100% of the max capacity. So you're going to again use the unit button to change it to 2 and then press hold. Once you change both those two settings, you're going to press hold until you return back to weighing mode. Once you're done, you should be back in weighing mode, and you'll now be able to zero out 100% of the capacity of the scale. Thank you very much.